Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our next installment in the Get Moving series, Homeownership and Finance Basics with Porcupine Real Estate. My name is Dominic DiMaria. I'm an agent with Porcupine Real Estate, and I am joined here today by Tony Capraro III from State Farm. How are you, Tony?
Doing great, Dominic. Thank you.
Great to see you again. So
Same
today we're
here.
going to cover another topic which comes up every once in a while. How do you lower your premiums?
That comes up quite a bit in my office. But what we always look for first is to make sure that you're properly protected. I think that when folks walk into the office, the first thing they're looking to do is lower their premiums. There are several ways to do that, but you want to be technical about it. You want to make sure that the person that's reviewing it with you knows their business, especially in the insurance business. So one of the main ways is get a security system. That'll save you roughly 5 or 10% off the premium right away. Those are the things we look at. Also, a fire alarm that will, goes directly to the fire department. That can save you another additional 5 to 10% on the premium.
Question on the security system. Can you have something like a Ring doorbell or something like that?
Absolutely, sir. That's what I have at my home, Dominic. Great question. Okay. Yes, any of those will work, and any of those, as long as you've got, the receipt that shows that you purchased the system. And every once in a while, State Farm will ask for proof, which is fine. My clients.
So you don't need constant monitoring or anything like that. It just has to be something that shows a camera.
That's correct. Yes. The other thing we always look at, Dominic, is deductibles. When people come in, the first thing we look at on their homeowners is what is their deductible? Because I know right away when I see a $500, $1,000 deductible on a homeowner's policy that they haven't probably renewed it since Fred Flintstone was on the air. So it's like, why do you have the same deductible on your home, folks, that you do on your auto? Your auto's worth 50 grand, your home's worth 400,000. And by increasing the deductible on your home by a percentage, that's what they go for now. There's no more $500, $1,000 deductible. It's a percentage of the estimated replacement cost of your home. So today I did a home for $400,000. 1% would be a $4,000 deductible. Most people find that palatable, the 1%. And we talked about, does this make sense? Do you have emergency funds that you could take and pay this? Yes, Tony, great. Because now we're going to raise your deductible to 1% and you're going to save hundreds on the premium. And that's really the best way that we help clients lower premiums on their homeowners.
That's great. Any other things that would help you lower those premiums? So you said
yes, sir. Dominic, you would love this one, sir. Credit score. About 10 years ago, we were told we're going to allow credit scores and in the insurance premiums. I'm like, that'll never get through. But somehow it got through. A couple of dinners, maybe a couple of drinks, it got through. Credit score is used for insurance. I love the folks that come in with a 600 or 700 or 800 credit score because it will dramatically lower the premiums on your homeowners and now your auto too. So I try to counsel, like I had a young couple in my office last week, keep that credit, make sure that you keep that going and you pay your bills because down the road that is going to pay you back tenfold. And that's a great way to do it was with credit score.
Any other tips?
Yes, I would say the upkeep of the home will help you avoid claims because when you have claims, your premiums can increase. So what we're doing now is looking at the outside of the home. How is the structure? What's it like? State Farm has hired a third party to go out now and look at homes during a new renewal process. Again, just to help clients and give them suggestions of, hey, this should be fixed, or you should be looking at that roof, or you should be looking at that facade on the side of your house that's leaning out towards the driveway to get it fixed. So this way there's not a claim in the future and your premiums remain stable.
Great. Well, that's great information. Well, thanks again. How can anybody get in touch with you if they have questions?
The old-fashioned way, I mentioned Fred Flintstone, 603-623-3537. Walk into our office at 510 Kelly Street in Manchester. We love you folks. We've got rotten coffee, and we give free giveaways too if you come in. And then, of course, online, for those savvy people, www.trusttc3.com.
Great. And again, my name is Dominic DiMaria. If you have any real estate questions or anything along those lines, please feel free to reach out to me at dominic@porcupinerealestate.com. Thanks again, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, folks.